Hello guys, thank you for joining me today. This is Claudio Barba, motion designer from Brussels, Belgium, Europe. Why are we here today? Today I want to talk about the screen capture in Windows 10. There are two ways to do it. They do almost the same thing, just two versions of the same program. And the program I'm talking about is called, the old version is called the Snipping tool, and the new one is called the Snip Sketch, Snip and Sketch. So let me show you how they work. The Snipping tool, you see it's a little bit old look and feel. You can, actually the functionalities are almost the same, but you can see here you have a mode. You can choose from a freeform snip where you can just select the part of the screen and the form you like. You have a rectangular snip where you can select a rectangle in the screen. You have window snip if you want to select exactly the window, one of the windows that you have open, and the full screen snip that does exactly the same thing as the print screen key on the keyboard. Let's test, for instance, the rectangular snip. When you click on it, you see that the screen gets a little bit whiter, and you can select the part of the screen that you want to copy. And here it is, the image that you have captured. You can do a couple of things here. You can, with the pen that you have selected, you can, for instance, circle part of the screen that you want to show to your friends or your colleagues. You have a highlighter, or you have a rubber here. And what you can do is to save it as a GIF or a JPEG or a PNG. Or what I personally do more often is to just copy the image, and then you can paste it in whatever program you want to paste it. Normally what I do is just copy and paste in Outlook to send by email. So this is the snipping tool. Let me show you the new version, which is called the Snip and Sketch. So you see the look and feel is a little bit nicer. You can see that the functionalities are almost the same. When you click on new, you can also choose a little bit of delay when starting the snip function if you want to prepare the windows before starting it. I will do a snip now directly. You see on the top of the screen you have the same possibilities that you had in the old tool, rectangular, freeform, windows and full screen. Let's test for this time the freeform snip. So you just click on the screen on the part that you wanna snip, and voila, you have it in the Snip and Sketch window. You can do almost the same things. So you can add some pen signs on it. You have a little bit more options because you have more colors, so you can select the size, you see, and you have the highlighter. You also have the ruler, for instance, if you want to be a little bit more precise with your pen. And then you can do exactly the same thing. You can either save it on your hard disk, or you can just copy it and then you can paste it in whatever program you want. The nice thing of Snip and Sketch is that it has a shortcut, a keyboard shortcut out of the box, which is the Windows button, Shift and S. So when you press these three keys at the same time, you will just start a snipping session. For instance, now I can close the application, and when I click on, I select Windows Shift S. Voila, you can start a new session of snipping, and then you have it copied to your keyboard already, or you can also, just clicking on it, you can add some more details. So I hope this has been useful to you. Let me know in the comments below if you have a question about it. Otherwise, I hope you will use it very often as I do. Thank you very much for staying with me till now, and have a nice day.